35 million views in 7 days, 6 million views in 7 days, and over 300 million views in 7 days. There's this Roblox niche that's printing money right now, and it's probably the easiest faceless format I've seen all year. These channels literally just use recorded gameplay, use AI voice, and talk about trending topics or relatable situations. That's it. No face, no complex editing, and zero expensive tools. And the best part? It costs $0 to start. I spent the last week breaking down channels doing this, reverse engineering their workflows, testing it myself to see if it actually works at scale. Spoiler, it does. So in this video, I'm walking you through the exact process these channels use to create viral shorts that are earning creators more than 5 figures. I've been building faceless YouTube channels for years now, tested a bunch of niches, workflow, and content formats out there. But these Roblox rant videos, the earning potential is wild. Most of these channels started just months ago, and they're already pulling hundreds of millions of views from these simple rant-style videos. Here's why the algorithm loves them. They trigger fast dopamine loops, short setup, quick payoff, crazy watch time. Remember those Reddit story videos with Subway Surfers footage from a few years back? Same concept. YouTube promotes whatever keeps people hooked, and these 60-second rants do exactly that. And it's not just shorts, long-form rants hit too. You can talk about anything trending and the algorithm will push it. The Roblox gameplay is just background filler, usually Slap Tower or something simple like that. But even if it's background, the gameplay quality still matters. It's just as important as the hook and the topic for making a video blow up. And here's what makes this niche even better. The content can have a lot of variety. You can upload relatable story content one day, current events the next, trending drama after that. If you need views fast, just hop on a trending topic. If you want to experiment with evergreen content, post relatable situations. Channels are going viral in both categories. For example, this video uploaded a month ago got 10 million views. It's just talking about pretending to be asleep when your mom comes upstairs. Completely relatable. No trending topic needed. Just a situation everyone's experienced. And even if the trend fades, relatability never does. That's why these channels keep compounding views months later. So you've got flexibility. You're not locked into one content angle. So for first step to making these Roblox rant videos is gameplay footage. And this is the easiest part. Roblox is completely free. You've got 2 ways to do this. Option 1, record your own gameplay. Just log into Roblox, play Slap Tower or any popular game in the parkour/obby category, and record your screen while playing. If you don't have a screen recorder yet, just download OBS. It's free and works on everything. Option 2, if you don't want to record, you can find gameplay clips online and download them. For the example, I just downloaded some quick gameplay. I prefer you all be original with the footage and just have your younger sibling or cousin play while you have OBS on. Now that you've got your gameplay ready, the next step is finding what to actually talk about. These Roblox rant videos go viral because they hit one of 2 things: trending topics or hyper-relatable moments. So instead of scrolling for hours trying to find what works, I built a video ideation and scripting prompt that handles both for you. If you want access to both prompts, the video ideation and scripting prompt, they're linked below in the description. So, first thing you need before scripting is your video idea. All you need to do is open ChatGPT, paste in the exact prompt, and it'll generate a list of viral ideas in the same style as the Roblox rants blowing up right now. From there, we'll move straight into scripting it automatically using the scripting prompt. And scripting is just as simple. Take the video idea you liked most from the list, copy it, and paste it straight into the scripting prompt where it says, your job is to take a short title or topic. The topic I'll be using for this example is, when you turn the light off and run. Once everything is ready, hit enter, and ChatGPT will handle the rest automatically. It writes the full 60-second rant in the same conversational, punchy tone that all the viral Roblox videos use. No overthinking, no manual writing. Just plug it in, wait a few seconds, and your script's ready to go. That's how these channels upload daily without burning out. And once your script's done, we move straight into bringing it to life, turning that text into a clean, natural AI voiceover that sounds just like the ones generating millions of views in the niche right now. Now we need to turn that script into audio. And for this, you're using 11 Labs, hands down the best tool for natural sounding AI voices. You can use the free version for this. These are short 60-second rants, so you won't burn through credits fast. Head to 11 Labs. Go to the text-to-speech section. The voice everyone uses for Roblox rants is Adam. It's basically the default voice for this niche. Select that. Copy your script from ChatGPT. Paste it into 11 Labs. Hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll have a fully voiced rant that sounds natural and engaging. Listen through it once. If you like it, download the audio file. If something sounds off, you can tweak the settings or regenerate with slight adjustments. But Adam at default settings usually works perfectly for this niche. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together. I'm using CapCut for this. Super simple, fast, and perfect for shorts. Create a new project. Import your gameplay footage and your AI voiceover, then drag both into the timeline and line them up. Make sure you cut out all of the dead space inside of the voiceover. This keeps everything engaging. Now here's where the style comes in. You'll want both the gameplay footage and voiceover slightly sped up to match the pacing of viral Roblox rants. So for the gameplay footage, try to increase the speed to what you believe looks the most engaging. And also set your entire voiceover speed to 1.3 times. And make sure change audio pitch is turned on. This is what makes the voice sound exactly like the others that are succeeding. And it also gives you the same tight, high-energy pacing that every viral short uses. First, background music. For Roblox rant videos, the music sets the entire vibe. Most viral shorts use the same handful of trending tracks you've probably heard 100 times. If you're editing in CapCut, just look at the name of the audio I'm using and search it directly in CapCut's library. Most of them are already built in, and if you can't find the exact one, no worries. You can reverse search the song using an audio search tool and grab a similar version from YouTube or TikTok. Drop your track under the voiceover and lower the volume to around -10 decibels so it complements the voice instead of fighting it. Next step, captions. This is non-negotiable if you want high retention. Most editing software has auto caption features now. Premiere Pro, CapCut, even mobile editors. Use the auto caption tool. It'll generate captions synced to your audio. Don't overcomplicate this. Use a standard font. Place it in the middle of the screen. Keep it readable. And if you're editing on mobile or any Apple product, you can manually add emojis inside of your captions. The captions serve two purposes. 1, accessibility for people watching with sound off. 2, they guide the viewer's eye and keep them focused on the content, which helps in boosting retention. Once your captions are in, do a full playthrough. Check for timing issues, volume balance, any awkward cuts. Now real quick, we're not done with our video just yet. Before you export, you need to add meme images and sound effects. For memes, hop on Pinterest and search whatever keyword you need. Just add meme at the end. Stuff like cat meme, scared meme, reaction meme, whatever fits the moment. You'll find the most popular ones that instantly make your video funnier and way more shareable. For sound effects, I use the classic Vine boom sound. Just Google it, download it as an MP3, and drop it into CapCut or whatever software you're using. Then line it up with your memes. Perfect combo. These small touches make your video feel alive and more engaging. If you're creating a short, make sure your aspect ratio is 9:16. And if you're doing long form, make sure the aspect ratio is 16:9. Then just name your file and export it. Most people are gonna watch this video, think, that's solid, maybe even try it once, then give up. Not because the strategy doesn't work, but because they're trying to figure out every little step alone. And that's where most creators stop at. They get stuck in the weeds instead of actually creating and building momentum. But if you've made it this far, you already get it. This niche is simple, it's fast, it's proven. You just need a system that removes the trial and error. That's exactly what I built inside my community. The same workflows, prompts, and templates that have helped creators go from zero to monetized in under 90 days. It's not about shortcuts. It's about receiving clarity to enabling you to take actual action. So if you'd rather spend your time creating good content and uploading it instead of finding out what is or isn't working, click the first link in the description or pinned comment. Check it out. It'll save you weeks of wasted time. If not, no worries. Take what I showed you today, get your first video posted, and stay consistent. Because at the end of the day, the only creators who succeed are the ones who keep posting. I'll see you in the next one.